Good morning. Today we are going to the Glasses District in Beijing to look at glasses. Apparently there's a mall here with like 5 floors of glasses with hundreds and hundreds of market stalls in it. So we are in, I think it's Panjiayuan, how do you say? Panjiayuan or something. Anyway, it's on line 10. I'll drop the thing in the description below. So we are just entering the mall. Glasses are everywhere. Okay, we're inside. Oh, we can get a drink as well, look.
3rd floor.
How many floors are there in here?
Many floors.
Many floors. Wow, you're very specific.
You can go that way if you like.
Look at these guys, they're wearing white.
Oh yeah.
They've differentiated themselves by wearing a white gown. Do you remember where you're going?
No, but it's CC8. We just have a little tour. I'll just let you walk around there.
Oh, there's a food place there. You get your eyes tested in everywhere, or is this a specific place?
I'm not going to, but yes you can.
Oh, any of them do eye tests, so you have to go to a central,
No, they all do it, yeah.
central Bureau of Eye Examination.
No, you can do it here. This one, Anna. There we go.
So what made you choose this one?
The internet.
Oh, the internet. Good old internet. Hi. Hi.
Right.
Ah.
I already know the...
Yeah.
This is Anna?
Okay. This is Anna.
Hi, Anna.
This is my friend Rich.
Hi. I think I actually contacted you before because I asked you to look for some Ray-Ban Olympians last year.
Yeah.
And you said you could...
You can send me message, I can know.
Okay.
What do you reckon?
They are
Glasses.
okay. Yeah, they're glasses, mate. They're okay.
What do you reckon?
They're better than the old ones, I have to say.
What are these? They're better than these?
Yes.
Right.
They look better.
Can I have these with this lens?
So we're ordering these. How much? 250 RMB.
300.
This
300
lens,
RMB.
you can say a little yellow is a little different.
This is anti-blue.
Yes.
Another 20 RMB.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, let's go anti-blue.
Anti-blue, huh?
So cleaning all the gunk off the glasses. Testing the lenses for their strength. This is just cleaning.
Yes.
I just bought some new glasses.
Oh.
What do you think? Nice?
Fashion. How fresh, how cool.
So I'm getting these ones with the green.
Yeah.
I'm getting the black ones with the orange. And I'm getting these ones with a blue
anti-blue.
Anti-blue.
Yes.
For computer work.
Yes. This
Okay.
one. Yeah. So it's for 3 pair. 3 pair 750加320. This one.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool.
So now you can get 1 pair for this, okay?
I can just collect them all at the same time.
Or sometime?
Yep.
Okay. Now I
This
say Rich.
Rich, yeah.
And I this card.
So, hi. So this is where you want to come. It's Anna's, and it's CC8. CC8. You're CC8, right? On the third floor. CC8 on the third floor.
Yeah, 3rd floor.
Third floor CC8, Anna's. So we're just leaving. I just bought those 3 pairs of glasses, and the total was 1,070 RMB, and that is about 138 pounds 70, I think it was, in our Great British pounds for 3 pairs of glasses with prescription lenses and different coverings. So that's pretty good. So yeah, Anna, CC8, or just come and wander around this place. It's pretty amazing.